Hi, we're Gene Online. We're your premier biotech reporting agency. Today we are joined with Dr. Hiroto Bando, CEO of Minaris Regenerative Medicine. On that point, I would just like to ask, Dr. Bando, could you introduce yourself and your company, please?
Oh, yeah. So I'm CEO of Minaris, focusing cell therapy focused CDMO, and title is Japan, US, and Germany. We have the three titles. And we are very happy to arrive to Taiwan. Very excited about that.
Would you like to elaborate a bit more on what it is that you presented briefly at the session today?
Today's my main purpose for the presentation to more encourage of the Taiwan company, especially for the starting company. So because the Taiwan is focusing to the more leveraging of the cell therapy field. And that timing that there are many promising the starting company, and then as usual, they started the clinical trial in mother company here. So, but the future, they are looking for more big opportunity in US. So that we are a global company, we'd like to support that kind of business chance in the future.
That sounds really interesting. So, is there anything particular that Minaris Regenerative Medicine is looking for? Any collaborations or connections that you're seeking to foster specifically?
I explained to the presentation that now we are looking for some more, the collaboration or weak alliance. So the Celltech is one of the partner, and so then we are just one CDMO. More we need collaborations. So that's the reason. Not only our client, the Taiwan, we are very happy to create one chain. That's the purpose to visit here.
Fantastic. And as a CDMO yourself, are there any challenges that you think are one of the major fields to address as a CDMO?
Currently, in the market is main player is a CAR-T product. So, but second one is a little bit some challenging situation, especially for the MSC-derived product. So then something change will be required, but anyway, for the cell therapy, the cell manufacturing and to maintain the quality is the essential portion. As a CDMO, the cell therapy focus, we are happy to support further expansion of this cell therapy field.
Are there any 5-year future development plans, the pipeline plans for Minaris Regenerative Medicine as a CDMO?
Yeah, as I explained, our Minaris, the US, we started the commercial manufacturing from this year. So then the CDMO, the track record of commercial manufacturing, essential portion to appeal our capability. So the leveraging the commercial capability. So then we are happy to not only the Asian company, but also the other company that are looking for the commercial or pivotal status. For late stage portion, we are very happy to support that.
Sounds really good. So thank you so much, Dr. Bando, for your time. Thank you very much.
Thank you.